In this video, we're going to explain a common issue for users of Okta with Active Directory, or LDAP. Specifically, we'll address why removing a mapping between these profiles does not delete the attribute value from a user's profile in Okta. In Okta, attribute values in user profiles don't get removed just by unmapping them in the profile editor. Okta only updates attributes when their values change. So, if you need to remove an attribute's value from existing profiles, there's a specific approach to follow. To effectively remove an attribute's value, you can map it to null. This is done by mapping the attribute to two quotation marks, with no space between them. Let's go through the process. First, access your Okta admin dashboard and navigate to Directory, then select Profile Editor. Here, click on Directories, and then on Mappings next to the relevant directory. Find the attribute in question in the right column, in our example, the city attribute. In the left column, enter two quotation marks without a space. After this, select the drop-down in the middle and click Save Mappings. To finalize, choose Apply Updates Now. This action will push the null value to all Okta profiles linked to that directory. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.